Hi, my name is Mark from UNIMOTION. Today I will present you the revolutionary LMCA linear motor that offers an outstanding price-performance ratio and other functional benefits. UNIMOTION linear motors are ideal for a variety of applications such as actuators, pick-and-place machines, assembly lines, tool machines, and many others. Our main advantages are force density, which has physical dimensions of force per unit volume. It is 30 to 50% higher compared to other competitors on the market. Due to the iron core motors, the linear motors are subjected to the forced variation known as cogging, which reduces the smoothness of motion. Our linear motors have a very low cogging force due to the internal design. High and low speed versions, where the high speed motor offers a nearly 230% increase in maximum velocity compared to the low speed. LMCA Hall sensor, which offers a cost-effective method for positioning control. UNIMOTION offers a Hall sensor which was specifically developed for the LMCA linear motor. It offers a great cost-effective solution and doesn't require any additional external type of encoders because it uses the magnetic field from the magnet plates to determine its position. The LMCA Hall sensor acts as an incremental encoder. The linear motor can be easily configured through our step-by-step configuration tool on our website. Our website also offers an easy online ordering, configuration and 3D model generation in our 50 native downloadable formats, price and stock availability information and more. The family consists of 3 different sizes, 30, 60 and 90. The size 30 is our smallest design in the LMCA family. They offer a superb ratio between maximum velocity and the mass of the forcer. Therefore, they are suitable for application with light payloads where high speeds and accelerations are required. Size 60 represents the middle section of the LMCA family. Because of their mid-range design, they offer high dynamics and great speed to force ratio. Size 90 is our strongest design in the LMCA family. They are used in applications where the axial force demands are the highest. Each LMCA linear motor size is available in different versions, S, M, L and XL, that determine the length of the particular size of the forcer. There are 2 types of magnet plates. One type of magnet plate is high performance, which boosts the continuous and peak force by 11%. For more information, please visit our website www.unimotion.eu.